Hey y'all, welcome back to the Blacksmith Garage. Today we're going to do something really easy on the bike. We are going to change the gas tank dash. I really like small carbon fiber subtle bits, not a whole bunch, but small subtle pieces. We've got the hand guards, we've got front protectors, a few other little things. But today we are going to change our gas tank dash out to a carbon fiber piece. Now, a buddy of mine changed his CVO ST to all weave, so he went ahead and cleared his CVO ST dash for me, the OEM version of it, and sent it my way. So we're going to install this. Super easy. Let's get into it. First step is to take your seat out. Now, if you have an OEM setup, you may still have a bolt back here that you have to take out. I think it's a T20 or T15. Take that bolt out and then pull back on your seat. We have a Saddleman Road sofa, and we have a hand tightened bolt that makes this pretty simple. Now, we do have our tour pack, so we just remove the backrest and we can get to it. There it is. Now, if you have a seat that is not OEM, make sure that you unplug it if you have any of that gear or the heated seats or anything plugged in. There's two bolts you have to remove. First is under the seat, which is why you had to take the seat out, and it is a T25. Next, you're going to remove this bolt. This is somewhat tough to get to sometimes, especially if you have risers and handlebars. So this is a 5/32. And it should just lift off. So here's the OEM piece. This OEM piece has some protectors on it, which are rubber. You'll want to take those out, including the one here in the gas cap, and transfer it over to the new dash. So to give you a shot of what needs to be transferred, there are two strips on the sides, really to protect the tank from scratching. And then there's an inner ring here that goes around your gas cap. The CVO versus the standard Road Glide, these seem to be a little bit shorter on the standard Road Glide, but really they're there to protect the tank, and ultimately I don't think an inch or so on each side will make a difference. But make sure they're all three of them are transferred over, and stick it back on. Next, you're going to put the top bolt back in. Remember, it's a 5/32. Second bolt is on the bottom. Remember, it's a T25. And you've installed your dash. Put the seat back on, and you're done. Remember to plug your heated seat back in if you've got any of that. Thanks again for coming back to the Blacksmith Garage. Another really hot day in the garage, but something really easy and makes a little bit of a difference. Adds some carbon bits. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See ya.